Hello and welcome to Fox Lake District Library's virtual story time. Today our theme is going to be birds, but we're going to start with our hello song. All right, everybody, do you know the sign for hello? This is the sign for hello, and then this is the sign for friends. So follow along with me, all right? Hello, friends. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. It's time to say hello. All right, so before we start reading any books, we're gonna go over what exactly a bird is. So a bird is a creature that has a beak, that has wings, and has feathers. I'm going to show you some creatures and you're going to let me know if you think it's a bird or not, okay? Let's start with a flamingo. All right, is a flamingo a bird? Well, it has a beak, it has feathers, and it has wings. So a flamingo is a bird. How about a raccoon? Does a raccoon have a beak? It doesn't look like it. It doesn't look like it has feathers or wings either. So a raccoon is not a bird. How about a chicken? Well, it has a beak, it looks like it has feathers, and it has wings. So a chicken is a bird. Now here's a tricky one. How about a flying squirrel? It doesn't have a beak, but it looks like it can fly. Does that mean it has wings? No, it doesn't. So it doesn't have wings, feathers, or a beak. So even though it can fly, it is not a bird. How about a butterfly? Is a butterfly a bird? Well, it has wings and it can fly, but it doesn't have a beak and it doesn't have feathers. So it's not a bird. What about an eagle? Is an eagle a bird? It has a beak, it has feathers, and it has wings. So an eagle is a bird. How about a goose? Well, a goose has a beak, and it has feathers, and it has wings. So a goose is a bird. Let's try a few more. How about an ostrich? So everyone knows ostriches can't fly, but they do have a beak and feathers and wings. So even though they can't fly, they're still a bird. Our first book for today is Early Bird by Tony Yulee. Early bird likes to wake up early. Do you like to wake up early? I don't. I'm more of a night owl. She stands as tall as she can. Takes a deep breath. Can you take a deep breath? A fresh morning air. And then early bird gets going. Across the grass. Through the flower bed. Under the spider web. Up the path. Around the corner. And over the cats. Finally, Early Bird reaches the garden, where she finds the early worm. Early Bird is hungry after her long journey. So she lays the early worm on top of a big, fat, juicy strawberry. and together they share an early breakfast. The end. Great job listening to that last book. This time we're going to sing a song. Does everyone know the tune of Do You Know the Muffin Man? The song is going to go like that, except it's about birds. So listen the first time and then you can join along with me on the second time, okay? Ready? Do you hear the robin sing, the robin sing, the robin sing? Cheer up, their voices ring on this fine day of spring. All right, now let's try it together. Do you hear the robin sing, the robin sing, the robin sing? Cheer up, their voices ring on this fine day of spring. Great job! All right, we're gonna do another verse. So just like last time, listen first, and then on the second time you can join me, okay? Do you hear the bluebird sing, the bluebird sing, the bluebird sing? Chirly, their voices ring on this fine day of spring. All right, now you can join with me, okay? Ready? Do you hear the bluebird sing, the bluebird sing, the bluebird sing? Chirly, their voices ring on this fine day of spring. Great job! All right, there's one more verse. I'm gonna have you listen just like last time, and then we can sing it together. Ready? Do you hear the sparrow sing, sparrow sing, sparrow sing? Teetaleet, their voices ring on this fine day of spring. All right, now let's do it together. Do you hear the sparrow sing, the sparrow sing, the sparrow sing? Teetaleet, their voices ring on this fine day of spring. Great job! Now, can we combine all of those together and sing the song together? All right. Ready? Do you hear the robin sing, the robin sing, the robin sing? Cheer up, their voices ring on this fine day of spring. Do you hear the bluebird sing, the bluebird sing, the bluebird sing? Chirly, their voices ring on this fine day of spring. Do you hear the sparrow sing, the sparrow sing, the sparrow sing? Teetaleet, their voices ring on this fine day of spring. Great job, everyone! Great job singing that song with me. Next, we're going to read a book called Hooray for Birds by Lucy Cousins. For this one, I'm gonna want you guys to stand up and try and do whatever the birds are doing in the book. Do you guys think you can do that with me? All right, let's get started. Can you imagine, just for one day, you're a busy bird? Yes, a bird, hooray! The sun is up, the sky is blue. Wake up and shout, cock-a-doodle-doo. Can you guys do that? Can you get up and shout cock-a-doodle-doo? Great job. All right, flap your wings and you can fly higher and higher up in the sky. All right, go ahead and flap your wings. Awesome job, you guys. Hop, 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 peck, peck, peck. Can you guys do both of those? You're doing so good. Now swim along and stretch up your neck. All right, go ahead and stretch up your neck like this. Great job. Say, hello, darling, then swoop like a starling. All right, go ahead and move your hand like that. Great job. Swoop up and down, swoop round and round. So go ahead and do this, and then move your arm around. Awesome job, guys. Scratch the ground with your feet. Can you do that? Can you scratch the ground with your feet? Good job. How about catch a fly with your beak? Can you try and do that? Awesome. Stand very tall on just one leg, Let's see if you guys can do that. Awesome job. Say cluck cluck and lay an egg. So just go ahead and say cluck cluck and then squat down. Perfect. Catch a wriggly snake and stretch out your wings. Go ahead and stretch out your arms as far as you can. Good job. Open your beak and sing. Can you go ahead and give me a song? Maybe sing the song we sang last time. Great job. Waddle like a penguin in the snow. Can you go ahead and waddle? Awesome. How about run like an ostrich? Go, go, go. Can you run like an ostrich? Good. Can you show off your tail and puff out your chest like this? Awesome job. Then cuddle up close with Mama in your nest. What a busy bird you've been. The funniest one I've seen. You've began the day, cock-a-doodle-doo. Now say goodnight. To-it, to-woo, woo, woo. Great job, everybody. Great job at participating in that last book with me. You did so well. Next, we're gonna do a finger play. So go ahead and sit back down and get your hands ready, okay? I'm gonna show you exactly how to do it. Ready? Little brown sparrows flying around, so flutter your fingers like this, okay? Up in the treetops, can you make a tree with your hands? And down on the ground, go ahead and lay your hands flat like the ground. Come to my window, put your hands together like a windowsill, like this. Dear sparrows, come, see I will give you many a crumb, so go ahead and start sprinkling like this, like you're sprinkling crumbs to a sparrow. Here's some water, so cup your hands like you're gonna give it water, sparkling and clear. Here, little sparrows, drink without fear. If you are tired, here is a nest, so hold your hands together like this, so that it makes a nest. Wouldn't you like to come here to rest? All the brown sparrows flutter away, so go ahead and move your hands like this, like birds flying away. Chirping and singing, we cannot stay, for in the treetops, among the gray boughs, there is a sparrow's snug little house. Great job. Great job listening to that finger play, everybody. Next, we're going to read a book, and it's all about counting. Does anyone here know how to count? Well, that's okay. We can do it together. So this book is called Counting Birds by Alice Melvin. Let's start by seeing how many birds you see on the front of this book. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 birds. Great job, you guys. The house sleeps still through the warm, dark night, but something stirs in the dawn's half-light. Cock-a-doodle-doo! One noisy cockerel is greeting the sun. Another spring morning has barely begun. How many birds do you see on this page? It's just the one, isn't it? 2 lovebirds nestled asleep in the hall are the first to be shaken awake by his call. Can we count the lovebirds? They're right here. 1, 2. Great job. 3 flying ducks in a decorative row are suddenly bathed in the bright morning glow. Let's count the ducks. 1, 2, 3. Great job. 4 baby birds raise their beaks from the nest, squawking and squealing their breakfast request. Which one is the cuckoo? Look, can you see? He's at least twice as big as the other 3. Well, let's count the birds. 1, 2, 3, 4. And which one's the cuckoo? It's definitely this one right here. He's way bigger than the other 3. All right, another young baby is sleeping in bed while 5 fabric birds gently turn overhead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hidden outside in the thick garden shrubs, 6 small brown wrens are hunting for grubs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Magpies in cherry trees chatter and scold, 7 for a secret never to be told. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pecking the ground is a mother hen's brood. 8 fluffy chicks are all searching for food. Let's count the chicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job. Sitting about in the heat of midday, 9 handsome peacocks are out on display. With beautiful feathers of turquoise and blue, a great host of eyes seems to look straight at you. Let's count all the peacocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then here's the biggest one, number 9. The china's been laid out for afternoon tea. Look, there are 10 birds on the white crockery. Let's count all the birds here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11 small chaffinches fly down to find the raisins and crumbs that have been left behind. Let's count all of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Whirling above in the cloudless blue sky, 12 racing pigeons go hurrying by. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Way down below, as the pigeons can see, 13 bright pheasants parade round a tree. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 14 white swans hold their heads up high, their stately procession gliding gracefully by. Let's count all the swans. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Dipping and diving with bottoms on show, 15 damp ducks bob their heads down below. Let's count all the ducks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Great job. Waddling back to the yard in a crowd, 16 large geese honk and gabble out loud. Let's count the geese. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. As day turns to dusk and the sun starts to set, 17 starlings are not asleep yet. Up on the chimneys they noisily chat, safe from the claws of the tortoiseshell cat. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Gathered on overhead wires nearby, 18 tired swallows are watching the sky. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 19 black roots flock in tumbling flight, returning to roost in the darkening night. Let's count all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. On red patterned curtains in the bedroom, 20 birds nestled to keep out the gloom. Let's count all of these guys on the bedroom curtains here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. All are asleep now, so none of them see the solitary barn owl awake in the tree. With soft silent wings he slips into the night, while on the house waits once more for the dawn's half light. The end. Great job counting with me, you guys. Great job counting with me on that last book. Do you guys remember how to say hello? Because now it is time to say goodbye. The sign for goodbye is like this. So we're going to go ahead and sing our goodbye song. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. It's time to say goodbye. Goodbye.